Hello and welcome to my channel, Phil Health. My name is Phil and it's breakfast time. So I'm gonna get ready smoothie. I've been uh, fasting for about 15 hours and I feel great. So I'm gonna try to do something as fast as possible. So as usual, I always put banana. Something that basically I can't live without. I put half apple. I washed it before. You can use this as a pre-workout. Apple, banana. I put some ginger root also. Good for the digestive system. A good anti-parasitic. It also prevents sickening and vomiting. Good for when you are going to travel if you don't want to take any chemicals. Of course, just like me, no chemicals. I washed everything before. Okay. So let me put this last. I was just busy, so but usually it's I'm usually between 12 to 16 hours fasting. So now I put just a slice of pineapple. Just a thin slice. Take the peel. Juicy. Wow, I think the sun is shining and it's very difficult to peel this thin. What is happening? So, okay. I needed to get a cutting board because it's just too thin. Usually I use more, but this time I don't want it to be too much. Usually between 500 to 600 to 700 milligrams of liquid, of smoothie, and yeah, perfect. Now I'm gonna use 1 scoop of bee pollen granules. Small, little bit. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, so it's healthy. That's what it makes. I got a mixture of Brazilian nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, and cashew nuts, and I just pick like handful of it, something like that. Throw it aside. I see that is not enough walnuts, and I just love walnuts, so I take a little bit more. Very good for the brain. Omega-6, 3, and 9, or 3, 6, and 9. Next, I use like 500 milligrams of moringa powder, which it's very good for a lot of things. It's very nutritional. Another scoop. It's just a little plastic scoop. um, and it's very healing. It's actually, you can heal cancer and everything. You can use that, can be used as a supplement to heal cancer and everything. Okay, next I got some seeds here, which is pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Oh, there's hemp seeds also, and there's lean seeds. And I picked just, okay, let me get a spoon, like a soup spoon. Yeah, a little soup spoon inside. So this is becoming rich in proteins and all the amino acids and all the essential oils and unsaturated and polyunsaturated. So now I got my raw cacao, a little bit of raw cacao, so half spoon of, maybe 3 grams or something like that. I don't want to use too much. It's a very good combination with banana, you know, and got a lot of antioxidants. It's rich in magnesium also, and resveratrol, or you know, something like that. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Yes. Oh, the sun is again shining. I hope you can see me there. Shining. So okay, what's this? Oh yeah, that's my protein powder, which is M protein and P-isolate protein. So my protein mix, to make it a complete protein with all the amino acids, I got M protein here and P-isolate protein. Then I added some, I just add a little bit more than half a scoop, because I already got plenty of protein there from the seeds and from the nuts, and I don't want to abuse from seeds and nuts because I haven't been really been practicing a lot of exercise, so it doesn't make sense to overload my kidneys and my system with a lot of protein. But the M protein mix, it contains ashwagandha, baobab, it contains some rest of minerals, that multi-minerals that I had from previously. It contains like thiamine, amino acid, glucosamine and MSM. It's good for the joints, of the bones and everything. Well, and thiamine is good for the brain functions. It can actually help remember and focus and concentrate. There's probably some citrulline. Citrulline is good for the blood flow. It's very good also for erectile dysfunction repair, but it's good for bodybuilders, for the bump up and everything. Well, it contains inulin also. Inulin is food for the good bacteria of the stomach, and well, and basically that's it. Maybe it contains something else which I don't really remember now, but that's the things, because I had these things there, so I had to use them, and I just want them to finish, because now I'm going to start going in the new nutrition way, which is going to be different. You know, it's going to be more with natural foods, just using my body as the processor instead of using processed things, like for example the protein powders, they are processed. So you know, I want to have everything natural. It's basically the only thing that I'm using that is processed. Raw cacao, well, this is normal, but I don't take it a lot because I noticed that it makes me urine a lot, and that's actually because I have previous kidney issues, and that's what raw cacao does actually. So it's not advisable to take raw cacao during the night, because it might make us urinate too often. But I learned that, you know, so I prefer to take it in my breakfast just to make a nice taste, mix it with the banana, and also usually I like to use strawberries. It's a really good mixture. So I use filtered water and put inside. So it goes to 700, yeah, bottle has 700 milliliters. Okay, 700 milliliters. And I think I didn't forget anything, and it's good for the mixture. So we got a rich, powerful pre-workout meal. You can take it as a pre-workout meal. Oh, I add a little bit of just a little small clove of garlic, because usually I take it's very good for the blood pressure and to clear the vessels and the arteries from any dirtiness. So I just put it there. Basically, you won't notice the taste, but it's very healthy. I know, because I remember when I used to do it, and I used to feel very well with it. Well, I've been feeling very well because I don't have any extra fats on my foods. Sugar just a little bit, and salt's only pink salt, and that's very moderate too. So now I'm gonna blend it, and it's blended. So how much do I have here? 750 milliliters. Wow. Wow, it's awesome. Wow, not deceiving you. It's really awesome. It's really. Actually, the garlic give it a nice taste. I like it. So, there it is. All this mixture, all these power foods. You know, I always try to choose organic. But anyway, just taking it aside, it's better to take organic. It's better to take it non-organic or GMO than not taking anything. You know, it's better to have some fruit, have some vegetables, even if it is genetically modified. It's better than not taking it. So, because the body will process it and will extract all the nutrients. And I wanted to mention the pineapple. The pineapple contains bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme, is a digestive enzyme also. If you mix the pineapple with papaya, including the seeds, especially with the seeds, and sweet peppers, green or yellow or red, if you make that mixture when you are having DOMS, which is onset muscle soreness, yes, delayed onset muscle soreness, which is the pain in the muscles after a workout or in the next day or something. But if you take that in that day, in the day of the workout, after the workout, it will prevent the pain. It will, if you are with the pain, it will remove it faster, and it will accelerate the healing process. And basically that's just it. It's my breakfast. It's my breakfast for today after 15 hours and 30 minutes basically of fasting. So if you want more healthy tips, just don't forget to keep visiting my channel. If you like it, put a like on it or subscribe. You know where the buttons are anyways. And I wish you to continue healthy day. And don't forget to visit my blog also. All the description of the links on the description of the videos. And keep healthy, keep happy, and have a great one, yeah?